The 2025 Swift Ascari stands out as one of the most exciting additions to the compact motorhome market, blending intelligent design, modern technology, and premium comfort into a highly efficient travel solution. Built on the proven Fiat Ducato chassis, this small but mighty RV is engineered to deliver both maneuverability and durability for a wide range of adventures. At just under 6 meters in length, it's easy to drive and park, whether you're navigating through city streets, backing into a tight campsite, or venturing into remote areas. Yet, despite its compact size, the interior space feels surprisingly roomy, with smart use of layout, light, and materials that give it an open, airy vibe that rivals much larger motorhomes. From the first glance, the Ascari exudes modernity with its sleek, aerodynamic profile, eye-catching graphics, and contemporary LED lighting. Alloy wheels, integrated awning hardware, and high-quality external fittings suggest the attention to detail Swift has poured into this model. But the real magic happens once you step inside. The living area is inviting and stylish, with soft-touch surfaces, premium upholstery, and ambient lighting that all work together to create a relaxing, home-like environment. The dual-purpose lounge at the front features swiveling captain's chairs and a convertible dinette, ideal for both dining and relaxing. In the evening, this area transforms easily into a comfortable sleeping space, with high-density foam cushions that ensure a restful night's sleep. The kitchen in the Ascari 2025 is fully equipped for travelers who want to cook on the road. A 2-burner gas hob, combination oven and grill, a large 90-liter fridge with a freezer compartment, and plenty of countertop space make meal prep simple and enjoyable. Storage has also been well considered, with overhead cabinets, deep drawers, and cleverly hidden compartments that help keep the space clutter-free. The modern design and layout allow you to make the most of every inch, which is key in a compact vehicle like this. Just a few steps away, the rear washroom features a full shower, swivel cassette toilet, and integrated sink unit, everything you need to stay fresh and comfortable during longer trips. Energy independence is one of the highlights of the Ascari. With a roof-mounted 100-watt solar panel, efficient battery storage, and LED lighting throughout, the motorhome is well prepared for off-grid travel. The Truma heating and hot water system ensures year-round usability, while multiple USB ports and a digital control panel allow you to manage power consumption and system settings with ease. Connectivity on the road is supported by optional onboard Wi-Fi prep, ensuring you can stay in touch with work, friends, and family wherever your travels take you. Whether you're planning to boondock in the wild or stay connected in a remote scenic spot, the Ascari has you covered. Driving comfort is another area where the Ascari excels. The Fiat Ducato base offers a smooth and stable ride, with a powerful engine and modern driver assist features such as cruise control, lane departure warning, rear parking sensors, and a reversing camera. These systems enhance safety and confidence behind the wheel, making long-distance travel less tiring and more enjoyable. Insulation and noise suppression in the cab are also top-notch, helping to create a quiet, comfortable driving environment even on rough roads or in poor weather. The Swift's smart construction technology is used throughout the 2025 Ascari, ensuring long-term durability and weather resistance. This timberless, moisture-resistant build uses strong, lightweight materials and high-performance insulation to keep the interior dry and temperature stable. Large side windows and a panoramic skylight bring in plenty of natural light, while blackout blinds and thermal curtains provide privacy and climate control when needed. The neutral color palette, paired with subtle detailing and high-end finishes, gives the whole interior a timeless and elegant feel. For couples, solo travelers, or digital nomads looking for a compact RV that doesn't compromise on features, the Swift Ascari 2025 is an exceptional choice. It delivers everything you need to live, work, relax, and explore, without the hassle of a bulky, oversized vehicle. From its space-efficient layout to its impressive off-grid capabilities, it redefines what's possible in a compact motorhome. This is not just a vehicle for travel. It's a lifestyle upgrade for those who believe that freedom, comfort, and mobility should go hand in hand. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, cross-country road trips, or full-time van life, the Ascari is ready to take you there in style.